Are you tired of looking at your old and worn-out driveway? Scapes LLC has the perfect solution for you. Pavers are the best value for your driveway, and we can install a paver driveway for the same cost as concrete. Plus, our installation process is quick and efficient, with most jobs done in as little as 2 days. Our team is committed to providing exceptional value and quality workmanship. We're the only company that can mechanically install pavers over old concrete, asphalt, and gravel for patios, driveways. We can even install both permeable and non-permeable pavers for most residential new installations. At Scapes LLC, our primary objective is to provide you with the utmost value for your investment. Our pricing is transparent. We can offer you a new paver driveway at the cost of concrete, and here's how. Our team carefully levels the affected areas, repairs them with premium sand, and prepares them for paver installation. Our cutting-edge machinery enables us to lay the pavers precisely. We secure them with durable plastic edging and spikes to maintain their structural integrity. Our installation services are not only cost-effective, but also environmentally responsible. By using your existing concrete, asphalt, or gravel as the base for your new pavers, you can achieve an eco-friendly solution that minimizes haul-off, trucking, and landfill usage. We're committed to using the highest quality materials and minimizing our environmental impact. Choosing our paver driveway installation is the ultimate upgrade for your home, offering an unbeatable combination of sustainability, quality, and long-lasting beauty. Plus, we offer a lifetime warranty on our pavers, which are not only durable but also easy to repair if damaged or stained. Moving forward is simple. Just call us or fill out our online form to schedule a consultation. Send us pictures of the areas that will be installed, and we'll jump on a Zoom call to go over budget and layout using high-definition mapping. Then, pick out a paver style and paver color from our selection. Finally, we meet you on site to verify the drawing and elevations, and close the deal. Once materials are ready, we will commence your driveway installation. Usually, within 48 hours of work starting, you'll have a brand new paver driveway ready to use.
Call us today to schedule a consultation with our expert installers. We're ready to help you achieve the driveway of your dreams and increase the curb appeal and value of your home.